Good morning. I'm going to start off a vlog today, and I am going to get ready for the day real quick. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. Makeup, just a simple, easy one. But if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Riley. I'm 23. I need to unpack from my trip still. I'm just going to use my Bare Minerals tinted hydrating gel cream when I want a lighter look. That's what I use. So today I'm going to my doctor's appointment, and then I think I can get my nails done and go to Wegmans, which is a grocery store, and look around at their stuff. I need to pick up a few things. I may pop into Marshall's or Home Goods, depending how I'm feeling. Later today, I need to put all of my makeup stuff away and unpack because I haven't done that yet. Kind of get organized, or attempt to. I have to pick up my car from my house because it's at my parents' house. So I have to drive my boyfriend's car around today. I'm just doing a little concealer. I also need to clean my makeup brushes. Yeah, a lot that I need to accomplish today. I need to start picking out supplies for my parents' house in New York. The living room we're renovating. So I need to pick out or determine if we wallpaper over it or we can paint it. It's just very uneven right now, so I need to look up to see what the best option is for that. I lifted yesterday and I'm quite sore from that. Quite sore. I'm just doing a very light makeup, so I'm just doing a little bit of bronzer, concealer, and highlight, all liquid cream products. That looks the most natural and easiest in my opinion. I also need to go to Target at some point because I'm sending a care package to my friend who lives in Korea, and she asked me to pick up a few things for her. I made myself a giant coffee, iced coffee, because it's that type of day. I would do eyeshadow, but that's just like too much work. So I'm just gonna add a highlight to the inner corner of my eyes. I want to do a lash lift on myself, so I'm probably gonna do that next week. I also need to I need to take a trip to Home Goods and Home Sense and IKEA and pick up stuff for the renovations. And then it's almost Memorial Day, and my boyfriend and I are gonna head to my godmother's river house, and they have a boat. Oh, I want to pick up some watermelon today. It's watermelon season. We just got a good watermelon. Oh, we also had really good corn the other day too. That one was warm out. I cannot get enough fresh fruit. I want to get a lash serum, but I'm not sure which one to get. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I want to order some new bathing suits for the summer. I'll probably order off Shein because I love their bathing suits. They're for how inexpensive they are, they're very good quality. I also want to order in Aritzia to pick up some of their Babaton, I think it's called, contour line. I really like that stuff, and they came out with new products, so I want to try that. I'm almost done. Just gonna do my brows with my favorite brow stuff that I cannot stop talking about. Since it's almost summer, I wanna, for the next month, I would like to eat like very clean, just so I'm in tip-top shape for summer. I've been working out consistently, so that's nice. I need to pick out an outfit. Hello! Hi! Okay, I'll be back. I just got home. Where'd she go? She opened my bag and found her toy, and I was dragging it out. wasn't even on top. It was like in there. Oh my gosh. Oh. Go show Dad. Went to Wegmans and got a bunch of stuff. Some fresh fruit. Oh, thank you, Stella. She found her new toy. Strawberries, raspberries, watermelon, Stella, blackberries. I got 2 juices. I think we're gonna have some of the orange carrot turmeric juice right now. Yeah. I've got tortellini for easy lunches. Acai packets for some orange juice to make marks. Some coffee creamer. I'll put this one downstairs. Got this for my brother. It's oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. He loves oatmeal chocolate chip. So, I'm a nice sister. Some pasta. This is going to go in the pantry. It's Go macro bars. I like these kind of on the go. And I try to eat breakfast or something. I got this Poppy prebiotic soda to try. It's interesting. The ginger lime. I like ginger ale, so well, that's right up my alley. This is Stella's new toy. This is Parmesan cheese, by the way. I also got a slice of their cheesecake because they're really good. I got some broccoli cheddar veggie bites. I'm pretty sure it's made with eggs. Yeah, egg whites. So these are nice for in a rush or just lazy and I don't want to make breakfast. I got some healthy snacks, so I got carrots sticks. They're like dried, and kale, ranch. I also got these from my brother, which are gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. I might try one. Stocked up on my granola favorite. I got this cereal because I'm a big cereal gal, so I'm gonna try that. It's healthier for you. And then I got this one. 3 wishes, and it has chickpea, tapioca, pea, protein, organic cane sugar, natural flavors, and monk fruit. So, very clean ingredients. 8 grams of protein. Yeah. Another cereal. I got a milked oats chocolate to try because it had pretty good ingredients. Salty popcorn. I got this bittersweet chocolate sauce because I wanted some hot fudge that had better ingredients, and this one had the best out of all of them. So I'm gonna bring that up to Thousand Islands, my house in New York. I got this tomato soup, bone broth tomato soup. Yummy. I love tomato soup and grilled cheese. Some crackers, applesauces. I got strawberry applesauce and no sugar added applesauce. It only has 1 gram sugar added, so that's good. I love applesauces. I haven't tried the strawberry one, but I'm excited. I got this dark chocolate espresso cups. I got these plant snacks, vegan cheddar chips, crackers, whatever. Broccoli, pepperoni. These cookies, they're so good. They're the double chocolate fudgy brownie cookie dough. They're vegan, I believe. So good. I got a kale Caesar salad mix. I love Caesar salad, so I wanted to get a healthier one. Mozzarella. Yum. I got garlic herb cheese. Cheese curds. Bananas. Sweet kale chopped salad kit. I got corn on the cob because we had these the other day and they're really good, so got more. Anti-pasta trio. Very good with cheese. This cinnamon rolls. I love this one. It's so good. Turkey breast. Sandwiches. Mushrooms. Probably going to eat this in a bit. Which is a large Asian sesame salad. Okay, I'm gonna go put this all away now. Yummy. You're so cute, Stella. bit later, and I'm cleaning my room, slash organizing it. I'm using these to make more room hanging up in the closet. Yeah, so I'm just putting my clothes away and reorganizing it and just making it better. Anyways, it's a mess right now, but I'm making progress. That's all that matters. So I'm gonna keep doing this for a while, and I'll show you guys the after. That's what it looks like right now. I picked up a few things at Marshall's. Surprise, surprise. I know. But I found some really cute stuff. And I found this shirt. I thought it was a very pretty purple lilac color. Nice linen material. It's from Abercrombie, I think. No, it's American Eagle. I crossed it out, but I thought that was really cute for summer. Got a pair of jean shorts. I haven't tried them on, so hopefully they fit, but a cute light wash denim. They're on sale for $10, so pretty good. I got a resistant band because this one is like fabric material, so hopefully it won't roll down when I'm using them. So yeah, feels sturdy. I got this bra pack. I liked how it was a V, so for lower cut shirts or anything, be better. So I'm gonna try this out and see if that fits. And I got this really cute dress. It's like a green, seafoam green polka dot tiered dress with a tie around the waist. And I thought that was really cute for summer graduation. Yeah, I'll probably wear this maybe to my brother's graduation, actually. That'd probably be a good idea. Then I got this t-shirt with the lettuce, I think that's what it's called, lettuce edges, crop top, and it cinches. Cute nude color. Then I got this red smock top, and I thought this would be good for 4th of July or something like that. Just to have a cute red shirt. And then this one's from Abercrombie. It's a bodysuit, a yellow bodysuit, but it's like a nice subtle yellow polka dots on it. I just like the neck, like the cowl neck of it. I also picked up these white heel flip-flops. I thought they'd be super cute for summer and just throw on. Yeah, I like how they're, I don't have any like all white shoes. No, not like white heels. I don't have all white heels, so I thought this would be good to match with a bunch of different stuff. I picked up this Living Proof Perfect Day Hair Bodybuilder, just a travel size, because for when I travel again in the future. I got some organic cacao powder. I like using this in baking and smoothies and stuff. Very yummy. And I got this Himalayan pink sea salt with white truffle. I love truffle, so I thought this would be really yummy for some dishes. I got this Becca Ignite Liquefied Light Highlighter. This. Super bronzy and gold. It smells really good. That'd be great to put on your body during the summer also. Just for like a nice shimmer on your collarbone or shoulders if you have them showing. That'd be pretty. I like that. I got a pack of gum because I like to chew on gum, and this one I believe is a better one for you. And then last thing I got is this organic cotton sheet set, because we only have one white sheet, so I wanted to get another, and this one seems really good for summer because it's cotton and nice lightweight material. I also liked how it was organic. That's all I got. I did get Stella toys. That's my haul from today. She has her new toy here, just sitting in bed. I was putting my clothes, organizing them. Took a break. But, okay, you can see the highlight on my hand. But I wanted to show you my nails that I got done. They're so cute. I've never been to this place before, so I'm very basic when it comes to nails, so this is a big change for me. I really like this highlight this very pretty. Later, my boyfriend and I went to my brother's lacrosse game where his school played our old high school. After the lacrosse game, I took Stella for a run around the neighborhood.